So let's go by the numbers. What you're looking to spend is right around $1 per visitor. So one click, if you're doing some advertising, you want to spend about $1, right? Expect to get about a 30% conversion on any of the traffic that you get. At the end of the day, your lead will cost you about $3 per lead. So if it costs you $3 per lead, how much money do you have to make to break even? $3, right? Okay. So you want to sell quick. Once you get that lead, you've spent $3 to get that lead. Sell them quick. Try and make that money back. Now, you may end up earning $1 or $2 per lead, so you might lose a little money per lead. But if you can get up to $10 per lead, you will start making money. Now, the niches where you will be making money with your leads are the popular online niches. There's health, fitness, business, relationships, sex, and hobbies, right? Which I didn't put here. Hobbies is a big one. I would say out of all of these, the biggest are health, fitness, and relationships, and then hobbies, and then at the bottom of the list will be business and entrepreneurship. People are less interested in business than they are in the health, fitness, and relationship world.